In the Twin Cities metro area, call Premium Garage Door Service for all of your garage door needs, providing new installations, service and repair, and that all-important 24-hour emergency service. Premium Garage Door Service will install your new garage door system with quality doors and openers from nationally recognized suppliers such as Genie, North Central Doors, Stanley, Overhead Door, Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and many others. Our certified installers are professional and friendly. Most work can be completed in just one day. At the end of the work, we'll clean up the work site so that not a fingerprint is left behind, just your beautiful new garage door. Premium Garage Door Service can service doors and openers from all major suppliers. By adjusting and lubricating openers, rollers, hinges, and springs, we'll keep your door in peak operating condition. Accidents do happen, and when repair of a door is needed, we can replace complete doors or just individual panels. We understand that when your garage door malfunctions, it's a major inconvenience for you, often leaving your car stranded in the garage. We offer emergency same-day service to replace springs and repair openers or tracks to restore your garage door's operation and minimize disruption to your busy schedule. Whether your needs are new installation, service and repair, or emergency service, make Premium Garage Door Service your only call for all of your needs. Just call 763-607-3402, and one of our representatives will meet with you to discuss your needs and provide you with a free estimate.